Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rock and G Farm, and today there's going to be another storm, so I'm trying to beat the storm and get the chores for the chickens done. As you can hear in the background, they're really loud. It looks like it's time for all of them to be laying their eggs, so I got to get out here and get them fed before the rain comes in. It's starting to sprinkle just a little bit, but let's get started. They have gotten real quiet because they saw me come out the door, so we'll see. Let me put my basket up here, and we're going here and get some food and then get the eggs and get back inside. I'd like to do some seed starting today. I'd like to clean up the greenhouse too, because I'm gonna have to do that at some point because it's looking pretty nasty. It was a catch-all for the winter, and it caught it all. Yes, because it's a nasty. So let's go ahead and get all our animals fed. Check on Bucky, make sure he's doing okay, and we'll go take them some scratch real quick. That's usually how I do it. I get the scratch first, and then that way that kind of keeps them contained a little bit. So let's go out here. It's just a little bit chillier, but I can't tell if it's chillier because I have a t-shirt on and had a sweatshirt on yesterday, or if the temperature's really dropped. Bucky! Hey, Bucky! Hey! He's getting used to his name. Whenever I say Bucky, he'll kind of raise his head up. Here's my other black Americana right there. He's still out. I was hoping to get to bed number 2 today and plant some... Oh, I left my egg basket. And plant some carrots in there. I might do that as long as the weather hangs out and doesn't get all nasty. So we'll see. So hopefully I can get those carrots done. I have my onions and a lot of my herbs started, and I talked to one of my daughters today, and I had sent her some seeds, and her seeds are started too, so I'm so excited for that. She's missing home, so hopefully that'll help her with her homesickness a little bit. Looking good, guys. Come on, chick. Trying to get over here in the back part, because this area back here, it gets bad weeds. I mean, weeds with thorns on them. So trying to get them out here to keep some of these big branches like this, no matter what. These big branches down here, they just are nasty. They're just big and thorny. So, okay. That other black Americana rooster's coming in. Looks like he might be okay. Looks like he might have a little bit of a stumble on one of his foot. Are you stumbling, or are you just walking? Okay, let me show you my babies. These are all my babies. The girls, of course, most of the girls are in the coop laying. And then I'll let's go find out and see if they have enough laying pellets, or as we know that we got in the wrong bag, we got crumbles, and we hate crumbles because, as you can see right here, they get all over the ground, and that's just a waste of food. So, oh, go on, dog, you can go on out. I don't mind my roosters getting out, because like I said, good morning, Fluffy Bottom. There's my Fluffy Bottom. Where'd she go? Right there. Hey. She is a chocolate Orpington, and I don't believe that chocolate is a standard of breed for Orpingtons. I think they're more buff black. I don't know, but I know that the chocolate's not. I see you in there. I do. Okay, let's go finish this up. Let me first see over here. See if they have some. Yeah, see, they don't like this crumble either, because it just sits here and they don't like it. I'm just going to leave that one. It's a half a bucket of crumbles, but they don't like that. So, got water. We had filled up 8 gallons yesterday. Put that up there so nothing crawl in there. Let's go get the light brown is something, and there's Bucky. Hi, Bucky, I see you. He's looking at me like, where's my food? All right, let's get in here and get some scratching plain crumbles for the, oh yeah, you can see that nastiness. I'm about to cut that out. All right, so I got some more scratch, which I don't want to just feed them scratch, so we'll just have to see there. Let's give them some more scratch over here. Got a little too much for the over here. Well, hello. There. 1, 2, and where's the third one? 3. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna let y'all look over here at these crumbles and what a waste it is. Look at that. All that right there is crumble that's on the ground, and it got wet yesterday, so it just compacted into the ground. It's a waste. Don't buy crumbles. Of course, we didn't buy crumbles. That's just what came in the bag. Okay, looks like we've got one egg. Okay, ladies, I know you don't like the crumbles too, but y'all better start giving me something, because I'm feeding you. You better give me some eggs if I'm feeding you. Don't fall on me, please don't fall on me, please don't fall on me. Nope, 1 egg. Hey, Bucky, what are you doing? Hey, are you hungry? Hey, Bucky, are you hungry? Nope. Want some? Dang, Buck. I did put just a tad of water in this so it wouldn't be so powdery, so I can make it kind of stay in one spot. You could, if you do use crumbles, you could ferment it. You go on, you can go out. And then that way you wouldn't be losing a lot of it. There. Tomorrow I'll probably have to walk in there and grab that. Oh, I see you down there. Hello. I don't see a blue egg. Let me check over there and see if I've seen Americana's eggs. Alright, let's see if we can see an Americana egg or not. I've got one hen in here. Right there. I've got a blue Americana egg. Oh, none yet. None yet. Only one egg. Okay. Y'all gonna have to do better than that, sisters. Do better than that. I always get scratched. All right. Let's see what else we've got here today. So if those two Rhode Island Reds don't start laying, we'll have to swap them out, and I'll put a band on their feet that's showing that they've not laid. So we've got 2 Americana hens in this pen with the rooster, and we've got 2 Rhode Island Reds in this pen with this rooster, and 3 Americana hens in that pen there with my other black Americana rooster. So hopefully we'll be getting some eggs. My incubator holds 22, so in a week I should have plenty to do a batch. So hopefully we'll see. So these are the eggs we got today. So this one is from my production red. So it looks like they haven't laid everything today, because I still have 2 more white leghorns that need to produce, and some more of the Rhode Island Reds. So we'll just go ahead and unpick this and let them go about their business. So guys, that was really it for today. I just came out here and tried to get these chores done with the chickens and Bucky before the weather came in. As you can see back there, it's coming in again today. I love stormy weather. But guys, thanks for joining me today. Make what you have beautiful.